How to describe COPD wheezing to your doctor. Have you ever wondered how to effectively communicate your symptoms of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease to your doctor? One of the key symptoms to discuss is wheezing. This high-pitched whistling or squeaking sound can be a major indicator of your condition. When you breathe, you may notice this sound more when exhaling, but it can also occur during inhalation. To give your doctor a clear picture, start by describing how the wheezing sounds. Is it more like a whistle, a squeak, or perhaps a musical noise? This detail can help your doctor understand the nature of your symptoms better. Next, consider when the wheezing happens. Does it mostly occur when you breathe out, or do you also hear it when you breathe in? It is also helpful to mention if the wheezing worsens with physical activity, exposure to cold air, or during respiratory infections. Do not forget to mention any associated symptoms. Do you feel a tightness in your chest, making it hard to take a deep breath? Are you experiencing shortness of breath or an increase in mucus production along with the wheezing? These details can provide your doctor with a fuller picture of your health. Another important aspect to discuss is how the wheezing has changed over time. Is it getting worse or more frequent? Does it occur mainly during flare-ups, which are periods when your symptoms suddenly worsen? This information can help your doctor monitor your condition effectively. Identifying triggers is also essential. Are there specific things that make your wheezing worse, like smoke, pollution, or cold air? Knowing these triggers can assist your doctor in tailoring your treatment plan to better suit your needs. Understanding that wheezing in chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is caused by narrowed and inflamed airways can help you explain your symptoms. The sound occurs as air moves through these constricted passages, which can sometimes collapse or become blocked. By providing this detailed description, you help your doctor assess the severity of your symptoms and adjust your treatment plan accordingly. This approach can also assist in identifying exacerbations early, which is important for preventing further lung damage. So, when you visit your doctor, remember to share all these details about your wheezing. It can make a significant difference in managing your chronic obstructive pulmonary disease effectively.